Salutations. I go by the name of Kabevabon. I am an aspiring indie game developer. I have been making games since mid-2020 and I currently have 2 games on Google Play and a few others on itch.io, which I've been leaning towards making my main game deposit. I am hoping that with the creation of this channel, I'll be able to upkeep the quality of the previous games I've made, as well as continue to produce even more games to completion, since I have a few that I haven't really attempted to complete. So I'm hoping with the weekly check-ins that I plan to do on this channel, I'll be able to put more effort into quality of the games I have made, as well as future games. The type of games I'm currently pursuing, or currently trying to make a lot of, is simple, fun, competitive games that can spark simple rivalries, as far as trying to meet the best high score or reach the furthest level. Eventually in the future, once I have enough experience in this field, I hope to create award-winning quality platformer games. Since I have an idea for a platformer game I really want to pursue, but I am learning the mechanics of game development before I attempt it, as well as improving the quality of my art for it. I also want to ensure that I understand enough of whichever game engine I use to make it. Currently, all of my games are made with GDevelop. It would be nice if I could make the quality type game I'm looking for in GDevelop, but otherwise, with my current attempts to learn code properly, if I can't make it with GDevelop, I will find a program that I can use with whichever code I choose to learn fully. I've leaned on GDevelop for game making since my initial focus was simple, quick 2D games, and my goal with those games were to understand the mechanics of game making, as well as get an idea of how things operate in the game making world, as far as completing a game, putting a game out on the market, assessing feedback, trying to improve on the quality of games. Initially, my idea with game making was to understand all of these aspects before I pursue a high quality game. So this channel will serve as a timeline in my pursuit of reaching the level where I can make a high quality game. I don't plan on just learning code. I plan on making other simple games throughout the year. Currently, I'm in the process of finishing one game I started in December 2023, and ideally, I would like to complete 4 games for the year. So, the game I'm currently working on, and the game I hope to produce weekly vlogs about my progress in creating the game to completion, is a gem match game similar to Candy Crush or Bejeweled, but the difference is it is isometric. So while most of the mechanics will play similarly to those type of games, the layout and the output will be slightly different. I am attempting this for the sake of being a bit unique, since there are a lot of those games on the market, so I'm hoping mine can provide a bit of variety. Following the timeline I have made for myself, ideally, I will have this game completed by the end of February, and I am hoping that making this channel will help me retain my focus into regularly improving on the game in order to put it out in a timely manner. So, if you come across this channel, hopefully you will be able to see regular updates of my progress into game development, as well as maybe some games you would like to try, or maybe some insight into game development that would inspire you to make your own game. So with that being said, hopefully we can enjoy this future together and build some great games.